Hi, welcome to Edu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the DGET function as an alternate to the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. After watching this tutorial, please write in the comment section below which formula approach you prefer in the type of data. First of all, I want to explain my data. Here in the sheet, I have employee data, name, department, designation, joining date, and salary. We are going to use VLOOKUP and DGET function over this data. First of all, we need to carry a ID, one ID, which will be the lookup value. Um, we want to check ID, name, department, and salary from our data. So now equal to VLOOKUP, press tab, lookup value ID H4, comma, then lookup table, control shift down arrow, control shift right arrow to select the data. By mistake I have choose A colon F. Now I will going to choose the data in right way from A1 colon F57, F4 to freeze this data, then comma. Now curly bracket start. Now we need a name, department, and salary. Name on 2, comma, department on 3, comma 6. 6 मतलब salary on 6. curly bracket बंद, comma false या फिर 0 bracket बंद. हमारे पास आ गई lookup value. Now DGET function. It works on data. Equal to DGET bracket start, select all data A1 to F64, F4 key to freeze that data, so it will be easy for us to drag it, comma, name column from where we want to get the value, comma, then criteria H12 colon H13. Freeze it by pressing F4 key so that you can get the data while dragging on right surface या left surface, which data you want to fetch. There is a mistake, so that's why a reference error is displayed. Now drag from department, the formula will be copied on salary. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget to comment that which one is better, DGET or VLOOKUP. Don't forget to press bell icon for next video notification. Bye bye.